Hi. Many of you are already familiar with our Super Lube synthetic grease and its great features and benefits. Today I wanted to talk about our synthetic grease cartridge. It has an added benefit that most people don't know about. This is a traditional cap that you'll see on most grease gun cartridges. Our cap is a little bit different. Our cap actually has a tearaway feature, so this can stay inside the grease cartridge. This is very important because once you put this inside the gun, this will prevent dirt and debris from getting into your grease gun. So if you can prevent that dirt and debris from getting into the grease gun, you'll also prevent it from getting into your bearings. Additionally, the cap itself, as the grease is being used, can be used as a leveling device, so you'll know how much grease is left in the cartridge. If you want to learn more about Super Lube, our synthetic grease, or any of our other products, please feel free to visit our website at www.super-lube.com. Thank you.